Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 23 Hawley Street, Unit 1. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the first floor in Worcester, Mass. And I'm going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. Just from the video, going to go around at different angles and try to get a good scale of this place, as well as point out a lot of the things that are nice that do come with the unit. And coming through here, this is the main, this is where the main entrance comes through. So that's the front of the building. And this is the living room. So it's been completely opened up during renovations. And now it's a very open concept floor plan. So in each of these living rooms, you could easily fit like a sectional couch and entertainment system, everything like that. Even over here in the dining room / kitchen, this could fit like a dining room table, other stuff like that if you wanted to have it all together. And in this kitchen, there's a gas stove. So the gas is, it's a 4-burner gas stove, and it's got the nice rock style with the countertop. And it's a cool L-shaped countertop. Lots of cabinets in here because of the fridge, and it's got the sink with the nozzle and the GFCI outlets. So it's really nice to see all those right here. Nice hardwood floors going throughout as well. They could be hardwoods, they could be vinyls though that look a little bit more like hardwoods. I would definitely confirm about that. But the style and the finish is great. You really wouldn't see too much of the difference. But that is the whole that's the whole living room at this point. There's also fresh paint going throughout the walls and some new fixtures around as well. Then coming through here, this is the first bedroom. So you're gonna see that the baseboards here. So this is like, this is pretty much how the sizes of a lot of these bedrooms are gonna be. So easily big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. They also come with nice ample closet storage space. So that's pretty much the whole length of that wall. And you got the baseboard heaters in here as well as the other rooms. And it's very nice to see it all put together. Even behind here, you got some built-ins on the wall with some little place to hang stuff. And that's that first half of it. And the rest of the other half is kind of through here. So this is the second bedroom. So the second bedroom is across from the bathroom, which we'll check out in a second. But it's still pretty ample space in here. Also big enough for like the queen size bed, desk / dresser setup. And this one comes with a double wide, full wall length closet mirror. I know I have a big mirror in my house. It's really nice to have that. So you do have the huge mirror and a huge closet for storage space too. Then coming in here, you have the bathroom. So the bathroom looks really nice after the renovations and everything. So you got fresh painting here, as well as they did a professional deep clean of everything, and the shower's in really nice condition. Same thing with the toilet, vanity. You got the vanity mirror up here too. So pretty much have everything that you would need in the bathroom. It's got the fan above the shower just for some nice ventilation. And this is like a hallway section going past all those rooms until you get back here to what's kind of like the laundry room. And laundry room has these two machines, washer and dryer. And past the laundry room is this final bedroom. This is the bedroom kind of further away from the other bedrooms. Might be a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit bigger than the second bedroom. But I would say all in all, like if you just did raw square footage, it's probably about the same size. And you've got this nice big closet in here as well. And big windows for this room and for the other first bedroom, really long double wide windows. And that's going to be the full walkthrough for 23 Hawley Street, Unit 1. If you'd like to see the full list of our vacancies, you can go to our website at nexuswor.com and go to the for rent / vacancies page. That's going to have all the apartments that we have for rent at any given time. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.